Welcome to my kitchen. Today we've got Chef Jason Wolfe from Tornatore Cafe and Pizzeria in College Park. And today we're going to do rigatoni vodka. I love rigatoni and I love vodka, so I'm really anxious to put these two together. So, Jeff, tell us a little bit about the recipe.
So this is a recipe that we've been doing in this restaurant for now 10 years. It's a fan favorite, our guest favorite. And it's very simple, very easily executed. Right here, if you look, we have all the ingredients lined up in the order of which we're going to use them. We have the butter, tomatoes, our chili spiked vodka sauce, or vodka, excuse me, which is just simple chili flakes and vodka. We have our heavy cream, grated Parmesan. Then we have our basil, Parmesan for garnish. And this is our house-made rigatoni pasta. This is made in-house. It's made daily. It's fresh. Massimo's artisan pasta. It'll be available to buy in our market, which is opening up next month. So we're going to have an Italian market. You'll be able to buy this daily.
Okay, great. Show us how it's done.
All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our boiling water. This fresh pasta only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So this is going to go really fast. We have our pan is already really warm. As you can see, I got a little smoke in here. So we're going to let it cool down just for a minute, just for real quickly. We got the butter. That's a really smoking pan there. So you want to make sure you have a hot pan to start. This is going to sear up the tomatoes, and then we're going to flambe with our vodka.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice and hot. Now be careful in the kitchen. I don't want you to burn yourself. From there,
that burns off all the alcohol, right?
I'm sorry?
That burns off all the alcohol.
That's burning off all the alcohol. Once that fire extinguishes, the alcohol is burned out. You can add your cream. This is about 30 seconds we're going to reduce. Now I'm adding the grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to swirl that around, and as you can see, it's thickening up. From there, we're going to add our red sauce. We got about 5 ounces here of our fresh made tomato red sauce. It's just a simple marinara. We make it daily in-house. As you can see, the vodka, the cream, it's turning the sauce very orange. That's what you're looking for with the vodka sauce. That's what we want. From here, we're going to season to taste with salt and pepper. I like to do it in stages. You can always put more in, but you can't take it out, as I said. Your pasta is going to cook for about 3 minutes. And we want to cook here at Tornatore's, we do all of our pasta al dente unless requested otherwise. We want to have that little bite on the pasta. Oh, sorry. Just going to toss it around, nicely coat that. Again, we're going to season them just a little bit more with salt and pepper. We're going to serve it in our bowl. Some nice fresh shaved Parmesan, chipinated basil, and bon appetit.
That looks really good.
It's a vodka.
It doesn't look too hard. I think I might be able to pull it off.
I think you can. I think you can do this, Scott. I believe in you.
I'm a little worried about the flambe part. So if you see some smoke coming from downtown area, you'll know something horribly wrong.
Let me give you a little bit of professional advice. My pan was very hot, so no need to get your pan that hot.
Okay.
That'll keep that flame a little lower. We've got the exhaust system, so I get a little crazy there.
I don't have
wanted to really make it a show, you know?
All right. So, well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to go and try this out, and then we'll get back together. I'll show you how it went.
Sounds good, Scott. Looking forward to it. Good luck.
All right.
Thanks.
Okay, just like the chef, I've got all of my ingredients all set up here, all ready to go, all measured out. So, fingers crossed. Let's get this started. Okay, Chef. I think I did okay. I'm going to show it to you. Hang on.
All right. You didn't burn the house down, right?
I did not.
Let's take a look. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. All right.
All right. Well,
Yeah, you need a job?
really easy to do, and I'm going to have the recipe online. Everyone can give it a try at home. Carefully with that flambe. It scares the heck out of you when it first flames up. But if you really want to know what it tastes like, you go to Tornatore's Cafe and Pizzeria in College Park and let the experts.
Absolutely. Come
Right.
say hello. Ask for
Chef.
Chef Jason. Comes out to say hello to you.
All right. Thanks a lot. Appreciate your help.
All right.
See you soon.
Thank you, Scott. Thanks for having us.
Bye-bye for now.